I thought it would be fun to do an experiment, put these pillows away for a little while and see how I felt. 3 weeks ago, I decided to do this experiment. I came across a blog post by Joshua Becker about a stop doing list. So instead of having a to-do list, you try to come up with things you will stop doing so you can have more time to focus on the things you really want to do. And the first thing that popped in my head were these throw pillows that I deal with every morning, every evening, and throughout the day. So I decided to pack them up and see how I felt without having throw pillows. And this is the conclusion that I came to about having throw pillows in my house. Including our bed, the couch, our little guest room couch, the kids room, all of the pillows all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pillows. Fast forward 3 weeks and I do not miss these pillows for even a moment, especially in our bedroom. I now walk in and see our bed made with just our 2 pillows and it looks fine. I don't miss that look of having all the extra pillows at all. And I would say the bedroom pillows I found were the most annoying to have to take off and put back on. So that I'm not missing at all. The only time I realized I did want to have a pillow was when we had a movie night and I thought, gee, it would be nice to put a pillow behind my head as I'm laying on the couch. So because of that one moment, I have decided to save 2 pillows that will be specifically for the couch. And what I'm going to do though is store the pillows in our linen cupboard so that way when we do have a movie night or I do want to lay on the couch, I can just grab the pillow out and I don't have to have it on the couch falling on the ground and picking it up constantly, because this is the stage of life that I'm in right now as a stay-at-home mom with 2 little kids. The pillows just fall. Nobody picks them up but me. I would love to know in the comments down below what you have stopped doing or added to your stop doing list. Again, this is not about pillows. It's about what you think you could stop doing to create more time in your life or just get rid of one irritating task that you tend to do, like pick up pillows for absolutely no reason at all. And someone had asked me in the last video, which I will link down below, that they were wondering what else I've added to my stop doing list. And being a stay-at-home mom, one of the things I've added is to stop organizing toys. So we have a few bins that specific toys go into, but then my boys have a bin under their beds. And back a few years ago, even a year ago, I used to organize all the toys in that bin. I would separate cars and all the other toys, and I just realized I was wasting a ton of time doing that. There was really no reason for me to do that. So that has saved a lot of time, and it's allowed my boys to put their toys away by themselves. And yes, we go through them once in a while and we declutter and make sure they're using everything, but overall we just throw all the toys in the bins, put them away. Saves time, energy, and really there was no reason for all that unneeded organizing, micro organizing. One other thing that pops in my head that I've stopped doing is laundry every day. So what I do now, and I have been doing for at least a year, I talk about this a lot more on my other channel, but I do all of my laundry on one day. By putting all of the laundry into 1 or 2 days, I feel like I save a lot of time and energy and interruptions throughout my day that I used to have, and just the mental energy to try to remember, to go check it. So anyways, that has worked for me. I know a lot of people do it the opposite way. They do 1 load per day, and it's completely what works for you, but that was just another thing that I stopped doing, which was laundry every single day. My plan here is to save 2 pillows, and I'm going to save the covers, and then that way if I decide I want to change the cover at any time, I can, but I'm going to donate all the other pillows. I'm going to see if a friend wants them, and then if not, I'm going to see where I can donate these. I'm not actually positive where I can donate them, so I'm going to just look that up. But please leave me a comment below and let me know what you stopped doing. And I just wanted to update you on this experiment that I tried, and I'm so happy I did this because honestly, this has just changed everything. My home looks cleaner, less clutter, and less time spent picking these up and moving them around and all of that. So thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.